What's up, Belle? You look extremely serious.
Not serious, my dear. I'm quite okay, but I'm a little bit worried about my plan.
What about? Could I know about your plan?
Why not? Certainly you'll know about it. I'm going to make a garden. Have you got me?
Yeah. Very good idea. Gardening is an interesting matter to all of us. Besides, it's really amazing. You know, I've a small garden and I want to make it more charming. So, go ahead with your plan.
Thanks, but you've to help me as it's a new idea to me. Moreover, you can assist me in choosing plants.
Certainly, I'll do it with pleasure. You can get any help from me. I can help you both mentally and physically.
Right, as I'm a new planter, I'll get support from you. It's very positive. But how will I manage my garden, my dear Alex?
Oh, sure. Don't worry. I work whole day in my garden on every off day. But whenever I get free time, I work for some time in it.
What a good idea. I hope I can manage it by taking assistance from you. But what type of plants are suitable for gardening?
Sure. You can plant ornamental plants as well as fruits trees in your garden. And by doing so, I think you'll be benefited, no doubt.
Right, but decorative plants have a great demand to me. In addition, fruits trees also give us fruits. So, I'll plant them. I wish you good luck. Don't be hopeless. I assure you'll be successful. No more today, bye. Thanks to you for timely conversation. Your suggestion will help me a lot. Come to our house, bye.